All right, here's my quick take on the Soundboks mix in 2026 after spending time with it. If you're wondering whether it's actually worth your money, it really depends on what you need. This thing is loud, like seriously loud. Perfect for parties, outdoor events, or anywhere you need to fill a big space. The bass is punchy, and the sound stays fairly clean even at higher volumes. Build quality feels solid, and the battery life is a big win. You can get through a full day of use without stressing. But it's not perfect. It's heavy, not exactly something you want to carry around casually, and it's definitely on the expensive side. Also, if you're just listening at home, it's probably overkill. So here's the quick verdict. If you want a portable party speaker that can handle serious volume and you're okay paying for it, the Soundbox Mix is absolutely worth considering. Otherwise, you might want something smaller and cheaper overall.